What's up guys, I found this BB8 toy on AliExpress. So I found it really cute. There were different variations of it available. This was the better looking one, so I ordered it for my son. So I thought I should check it out and share it with you guys as well. So let's check it out. Inside it you have this ball, the BB8 face, and then you have the cable to charge it, and nice looking remote. The paint job is really nice. You touch it and you feel that it is a glossy and polished material, which gives it really good look, and also it feels really premium heavy. Like, it does not feel cheap when you hold it in your hand. It has a weight to it. Same as this, you see the surface, see the shininess. I can say from the surface that they haven't cheaped out on it. I'm not sure how to fit it, so we will, I think it uses magnets or something, but let's see. First I think we need to open it. All right, this is the stuff that is inside it. They did not send any instructions on how to fit it, so it looks like I am on my own in this regard. This part is flexible with springs. We have wheels here on all sides. We also have on off, switch to off. Which part? So this is off, on. This is the charging part. Remote wise we have these buttons, all four. This is for up, forward, backward, left, right. Not sure what is this for. And also this part, there is nothing written here. These are also buttons. Alright, I have installed two AAA batteries here. It needs two AAA batteries. After turning it on, you can see there is a light on here, so it has some battery already. I don't need to charge it, that's good. And now if I handle it from here, see, so there is a sound, and then it also rotates. And now all we have to do is put it like this, right? I'm assuming. And then there are cool sounds of BB8 as well. And now, all right, it has started working automatically, like it has picked it up. Now let's see. Whoa, that's so cool. I guess I need to switch my camera angle to show you guys how it works, but it is so cool. Guys, it is amazing. The feeling of handling the BB8 directly with your hand and way it moves, it's amazing. Let me switch the camera angle. Alright, I have put it on the floor, and it always remains in this state. And whenever it feels like it is stopping, it automatically gives a sound and then starts rotating like this. So maybe it is requirement. Wait a minute and you will see what I mean. It never remains in a static position. See? So even if you put the remote down, it still gives sounds and keeps moving. It is so cool. I got it, guys, for $35 I think on sale. But it is so cool, all the money is paid off even without playing with it. So let's try it. Isn't it so cool? I mean, it is. You have no idea how happy I am. Even though I am like a guy, 35 years old guy, but for some reason I'm still very happy. Okay, this one just moves it in the head. See, and this one is to move. Can I move it left, right as well? Yeah, so this button actually handles all four directions for movement, and this one is for the head. Now let's see what other buttons do. This one just gives us some sound. What does this do? So cool. It is an automatic demo mode, I think. The head of BB8 is gone. Alright, I put the head back on. This one so is demo mode. Now let's check this one out. This one just rotates something. Sorry. This, when I bring the remote, the focus goes away. This one just gives a rotation. I'm not sure. Yeah. This one is a demo mode. This one just gives sound. So main buttons are these, and this one is a demo, and this one is on the other hand to control it. The ball still keeps moving even if the head goes off. Alright, this was the BB8 that I wanted to show you. I have shown all functions to you. Now it is time for me to give it to my son. This is a real life BB8 toy. Very cool working function. So let me know you guys what you think of it. And take care. Bye.